Good day mga ka-wedgie! Bigyan muna namin kayo ni editor ng origin sessions natin. So today, simulan natin sa word na resback. Yan, resback. Alam niyo ba kung anong origin ng resback? Ang resback is derived from the word to wrestle back. Siyempre, naman ng Pinoy, pinaikli, naging resback. Pag may nakaaway ka, pare tara, resbackan natin to avenge. So that's resback. So that's our first word, mga ka-wedgie. Ating second Pinoy slang word would be toka. Okay. This naman word na toka derived from the Spanish word toka rin, tuka or to that effect, no? Pero ang spelling, imbis na T-O-K-A, it is T-O-C-A, which means na yung tuka nila, to handle or supervise, di ba? That's toka nila. And then, nangyari na lang na, naman ng Pinoy, naging toka o toka mo, so to handle, pati pagbabayad, naging toka na. So, pag toka mo, now, ibig sabihin nun, ikaw bayad, di ba? Toka mo or ikaw ang bahala. So, ano yung first word ko ulit? Aside from toka, resback, and then toka. Okay. So, ang ating third word would be spooting. Naalala niyo ba ito noong 1970s? Mga daddy natin, mga lolo natin, diba? Uy, spooting na spooting ka. Yan naman, derived from the the English term to you're sporting a good suit. Ganon, diba? So, sporting, naging spooting. So, that's our third word, spooting. Yung last nating word, ito, familiar na familiar kayo. Ang tawag dito, epal. Marami ba kayong kilalang epal? Okay, epal. Epal naman is a word used, technically, alam mo naman Pinoy, di ba? Mapapel. Yan, baliktad. Mahilig mo baliktad. Came from the word mapapel. Mapapel ka. So, you are a meddler. So, pakialamero, meddling ka sa mga bagay. So, naging epal ka. So, yan ang origin ng word na epal. Okay? So, good morning mga ka-wedgie!
Wedgie TV.